Hello students, I know you like to listen these stories. So I am going to tell here one story about King Midas and his golden touch. It means chapter number 5, King Midas and his golden touch. King Midas had a magnificent castle with the softest beds, the most comfortable sofas and beautiful things from all over the world. King Midas was a king and he had a magnificent means wonderful, and castle means palace. Wonderful palace with softest beds, the comfortable sofas and beautiful things. His gardens had the most colorful flowers. The flowers were more fragrant than any other flowers. Fragrant means scent. That flowers were so nice and fragrant than any other flowers. Midas and his daughter Marigold live comfortably in his great castle. Midas and his daughter, what is her name? Marigold. So they live comfortably in his great palace. Midas loved Marigold very much but thought that only gold and money could make a person happy. King Midas loved Marigold very much, but he loved gold and money too, because he thought gold and money could make a person happy. He was so greedy for gold that he spent hours in his strong rooms counting his gold coins. He was so greedy for gold and he spent all day and so many hours in his strong rooms. Strong room means a room used to keep money and expensive things. So they were spent only counting his gold coins. One day the Greek god Dionysus visited Midas. So one day what happened? The Greek god Dionysus visited Midas. Dionysus was pleased with the way Midas entertained him. The Greek god Dionysus came in his palace, in his castle, and then Dionysus was pleased. Pleased means happy. He was happy with the way King Midas entertained him. Before leaving Midas' palace, Dionysus said, "Tell me, Midas, if there was one thing you could wish for, what would it be?" Okay, after Dionysus means this Greek god said to King Midas that if you want to any wish, so which wish do you want? Which wish do you tell me? Okay, so what would it be? King Midas immediately answered. Immediately means quickly answered, replied, "I want everything I touch to be turned into gold." Okay, after King Midas told his wish, which wish? So he said, "I want everything when I touch to be turned into gold." Dionysus knew that this was not a very good thing, but Midas had to learn this for himself. Dionysus means Greek god knew that this was not very good thing. Okay, but he wanted to give him one lesson. That's why King Midas and then Dionysus wanted to fulfill his wish. You shall have the golden touch tomorrow morning, he said. Then Greek god Dionysus said, Okay, I will fulfill your this wish, and this wish shall have the golden touch tomorrow, means start from tomorrow morning. He said, Goodbye. I hope your golden touch brings your happiness. After the Greek god said, Okay, now goodbye, and your wish will start from tomorrow morning. I hope your golden touch brings you happiness. Means you will happy from your wish. Thank you so much, said Midas. That night he dreamed of a castle full of gold. Then that night he dreamed of a castle, of a palace full of gold. Means he saw in dream that his castle, his palace full of gold at that night. He woke up early. The first thing he touched was his bed. Then next morning he woke up early. Woke up means got up. He got up early in the morning. The first thing he touched was his bed. And firstly, he touched was his bed. Immediately his pillows became hard blocks of gold and his sheets were made of gold threads. Immediately means at once, his pillows became hard blocks of gold. Means when he touched his pillows, so it turned into gold. And his sheets also, sheets means bed sheets also, were made of gold threads. He was sitting on a golden bed. Then his bed also turned into gold. Midas was so excited that he didn't realize that the sheets and pillows were not soft and comfortable anymore. He touched to bed and pillows too, so that turned into gold. That's why sheets and pillows were not soft and comfortable. He ran into the bathroom and picked up his toothbrush. Yes, it turned into gold, and so did the toothpaste and the mug. Okay, after he went in bathroom, so his toothbrush, his toothpaste and mug also turned into gold. Midas couldn't brush his teeth, so he just put on his robes. Okay, so Midas could not brush to his teeth. They were suddenly so heavy. He looked down at them. They had all turned into gold. After all things turned into gold, he looked down at them. It doesn't matter, thought Midas. Okay, so he thought, it doesn't matter if that turned into gold. I must go to the garden. So after he went to garden, on the way out I shall touch whatever I can. This is superb gift I have. Okay, superb means wonderful. He said, I have superb gift. And so Midas touched the chairs and tables, doors, sofas, and of course everything turned into gold. Means all things turned into gold. Midas went out into the garden. It looked so beautiful. The scent of the flowers greeted him as they did every day. Midas ran from flower to bush to tree, touching everything. After King Midas touched to everything in the garden, and that also turned into gold. means he touched to flowers. So flowers also turn into gold. Every plant turned to gold. The grass became as hard as gold nails. Walking on, it was uncomfortable. The scent of the garden disappeared. Okay, there were not scent of the flowers because that all flowers turned into gold. That's why there were not fragrant, not scent of that flowers. Midas was a little upset but then said, I am hungry and thirsty. I have must to take my breakfast. So he was so hungry and thirsty, so he went to take breakfast. Midas enjoyed his breakfast every day. The fruits came from all over the world. The bread was freshly baked. Baked means cooked in oven, soft and full of sweetest raisins means dried grapes or kishmish. So after the bread was so nice cooked in oven, soft and full of sweetest or kishmish, the butter and milk came from his dairy. Means butter and milk also came from dairy. You know very well dairy means a place where milk and things made out of milk can be found. The honey came from his beehives. He looked at the table covered with delicious food. Delicious means tasty food. As he sat down, his chair and cushion became golden hard and very uncomfortable. He frowned. Frown means he angry, but reached out for a huge, juicy purple grape. The minute he touched it, it became a golden grape. Pretty it looked and uneatable. He touched his glass of milk and the milk turned into gold. He looked at the food and realized that he would not able to eat anything. He can't eat anything. He was afraid. He was feared. Am I to be hungry and thirsty forever? He thought. He could not brush his teeth. He couldn't bath. He could not eat. What was he going to do? His daughter Marigold ran into the room. Good morning, father, she said as she went to him, a sweet smile on her pretty face. She hugged her father and he also hugged her. There was silence. When Marigold came and King Midas hugged to Marigold and there was silence. So why? Because Marigold also turned into gold. He looked at his loving child. She was a golden statue. She like a golden statue. Midas wept. Wept means he was crying. He prayed to Dionysus. Take this gift away from me now. Means he prayed to God Dionysus and said, yes, take this gift from me. I don't want this gift. I don't want any gold. I want only marigold. Marigold means I want only my child. I want only my angel, my little girl, my daughter. This gift is a curse. Curse means wish for something bad to happen. Dionysus heard the cries of a father, not a great and greedy king. Now Dionysus heard that cries of a father, and he was not a great and greedy king. He realized. He said, Midas, you have now understood that the beauty of nature and the love of children are much greater than all gold in the world. So he asked to Midas that now you understand that beauty of nature and the love of children are so important than the gold in the world. I have, cried Midas. Okay. So King Midas said, yes, I understood now. Make me an ordinary man. So King Midas said, yes, now make me ordinary man. Give me back my child, I beg you, pleaded Midas. Pleaded means beg. He begged that give me my child. I want my daughter. Go to the river tomorrow, Midas, said Dionysus. Dionysus said, you go to the river tomorrow. Wash your hands. Your golden touch will disappear. Midas spent a sleepless night on his hard bed, and his child stood in his room like a statue. He was hungry and thirsty. He could not spare the sweetest scent of the garden, and everything in his golden castle was heavy, ugly gold. The next day, Midas possible to river, and he went to the river. He washed his hands and waters of the river. He surprised and to see gold water flowing from them. He felt his ugly, heavy robes became soft again. He carried jugs of water back to his castle. He went to the river and took some water. So his daughter also made in very natural and common man, ordinary man, and she was she was happy, she ran after him. Are you going to your strong rooms now, father? She asked sweetly. After she said, are you going to strong room? Means, do you want to count that gold? So, no, little one, he said. He said, no, little one, now not. I have wasted too much time there. Okay, now he realized that I have wasted my time too much there. Means to count the gold and money. King Midas became a better king, and after King Midas became a better king, he became kind and did things for his country and his people. After he became kind and did things for his country and his people also, he enjoyed the beauty of his. He became kind and did things for his country and his people. He enjoyed the beauty of his scented garden and the songs of the birds by the side of his precious daughter Marigold. Precious means of great value. After that, the king enjoyed the beauty of the garden and with his marigold means precious marigold. Okay, thank you. So, his daughter also made in very natural and common man, ordinary man, and she was happy, she ran after him. Are you going to your strong rooms now, father? She asked sweetly. After she said, are you going to strong room? Means, do you want to count that gold? So, no, little one, he said. He said, no, little one, now not. I have wasted too much time there. Okay, now he realized that I have wasted my time too much there. Means to count the gold and money. King Midas became a better king, and after King Midas became a better king, he became kind and did things for his country and his people. After he became kind and did things for his country and his people also, he enjoyed the beauty of his. He became kind and did things for his country and his people. He enjoyed the beauty of his scented garden and the songs of the birds by the side of his precious daughter Marigold. Precious means of great value. After that, the king enjoyed the beauty of the garden and with his marigold means precious marigold. Okay, thank you.